Rock. We're here today for Mimi's and Team Invasion Fall Fashion Show. So let me show you what I have with me right now. And black. And I have something for the moms, Asian moms. Also, I got something new that just came in. The tanks. Kind of like something like inspired by Run DMC, so I'm sure everybody knows. Haitians rock, red line. It's got the yellow, blue, white and black. And everybody knows about this already. Pretty much sold out of these now. It's the Haitian rock loose top with gold lettering.
I know the names.
And I have the hats, red, black, black and white. Sold out already, nothing left. And of course, my favorite, black leather one. And that's about it really. And I have the men's, of course, Run DMC inspired t-shirt, red and black, and black and gold. And also, the Good Day Weekend's coming up, guys. Blue Red. Check me out. Haitians Rock 2013 IG. Also, you can check me on Facebook Haitians Rock. My website is www.haitiansrockapparel.com.